I know there's been concern, and I've seen people post, mostly in some forums, that the gel stick is dangerous for your sensor, but I've never been able to find anybody that actually had any issues with it. I've been using the gel stick for years now, and if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll show you which cameras I've used it on successfully. Here you can see I'm looking for dirt on the sensor. It's actually a clean sensor, but just the process. I need to buy a better loupe. One of the things I didn't show on the camera there, so I'm going to fix it now, is that the gel stick and the white paper, you open the white paper and it's as sticky as the gel stick is, more sticky in fact. And so when you run your gel stick against the paper, it's pulling all the dust and debris from your sensor off of the gel stick and putting it on here, giving you a clean gel stick. Then you take your gel stick, clean your sensor, and then clean off the gel stick again. This product actually comes with a significant number of paper with it, and they last 2, maybe 3 cleanings before you need to throw them away. So quite some time. And with that many, this particular set is coming up on 2 years old. Well, thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Also, if you've had a gel stick yourself, please comment below, tell me what you think, how easy it's been. I know I personally find it much better than the wet system that I used before, but now, as promised, this is the list of Nikon cameras I've used it on over the last 8 years. Enjoy, and hope you have fun taking pictures. Stay tuned for additional photography tips.